नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, बात करते हैं रीजनल रूरल बैंक के पेंशनर के संबंध में, जिनको डीएफएस के इंस्ट्रक्शन के हिसाब से 20% ऑफ द पेंशन एरियर्स मिलना था। और अकॉर्डिंगली इस बारे में ऑल इंडिया रीजनल रूरल बैंक एम्प्लॉय एसोसिएशन ने एक पत्र एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी डीएफएस को लिखा। Payment of pension to RRB staff with effect from 1st November 93, amendment in the RRB Employees Pension Regulation 2018. We extend our thanks for appropriate and timely steps taken by the DFS to implement the direction of Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of payment of arrears to existing pensioner, family pensioners, and coverage of left out cases as the indicated in the aforesaid letter dated 3rd October 24. In this context, we may draw your kind attention to the fact that immediate step advised by the DFS in the matter of payment of 20% pension arrears to eligible pensioners, family pensioner on provisional basis as per para 4 of the above order, and payments of current pension to all eligible fresh optees to are subject to the amendment of RRB Employees Regulation Pension Regulation 2018. But sir, at para 4, the payment of 20% pension arrear are to be made immediately after board approval of the amendment, while the payment of the current pension to all eligible fresh optees will be paid after notification of the amendment regulation, which appears to be discriminatory and painful to the fresh optees who are yet to get any pension from the bank. यानी कि जो लोग अभी न्यू ऑप्टी हैं उनको नोटिफिकेशन के बाद पेमेंट करने के लिए कहा गया है, सो इट इज द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन। इन द सिचुएशन वी like to request your good sir to kindly consider that at least 40% of the arrear pension is paid to both the categories, that is those who are already getting the pension, family pension, and to those who are now being covered and expected to be paid pension from the date of their eligibility as per the amended regulations. Payment of current pension should be made to all eligible fresh optees pending notification of the amended regulation as done in case of those who are already getting the pension. दो बातों के लिए कहा कि जो ऑलरेडी पेंशन पा रहे हैं और जो फ्रेश ऑप्टी हैं उनको दोनों को 40% पेमेंट के लिए आप रिक्वेस्ट किया, और ये रिक्वेस्ट करके ऑल इंडिया रीजनल रूरल बैंक एम्प्लॉय एसोसिएशन ने डीएफएस सेक्रेटरी से रिक्वेस्ट किया है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।